Hello guys, I will teach you on how you can get smooth skin on Capcut. First, head on video and click Enhance. Check Face so you can get access to edit the face. Click this box below so you can choose if you want to edit single mode or multiple mode. After that, you can adjust those options below the box. You can adjust even for an even looking skin. Smooth for smoothness of the skin, brighten for more brightened looking skin. You can also adjust white teeth so you can get whiter teeth. Smile lines to make it visible. You can adjust dark circles to make under eye lighter. Now, we can move on to skin tones. You can choose different skin tones for your skin. You can adjust the warmth and the degree depending on the desired skin tone. Now, we will move on to facial beauty. From here, you can also select different modes too. You can shape your face, eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrow. From face selection, you can adjust for a thin face, mandible, cheekbone, chin length, or even having short face. You can buy CapCut Pro version so you can access more features like the lower part, middle part, upper part, and more. From eyes, you can adjust big eyes, eye span, open cartus, and eye height. Now we will proceed on nose section. You can adjust for a slim nose, bridge, nose height, nasal root, and your nose size. For mouth, you can adjust mouth size, mouth height, and also smile lips. Let's go to manual. Manual allows you to freely resize or shape your face or even your body. And if you don't want to do it by yourself, you can just uncheck manual and move to another section, makeup. From makeup, you can choose whatever makeup you want. You can also choose eyelashes, eyeshadow, and your lipstick. Now we will move to body section. If you have a full body video or even a picture, you can adjust everything you want based on the desired looks. And that's all for today. This is a tutorial on how you can get smooth skin on CapCut. If you find this guide helpful, please click subscribe and like button. Bye bye.